What's up, everyone? Doing one more review for tonight. So when I first did this review or this channel, it was all about Ninja Turtles. Then I started adding other stuff, and if you remember, I did this guy right here. These wind-up Madballs are very, extremely rare. I know people hate that. Oh, it's so rare, stupid. Well, guess what? It's rare. And 1986. I got this at Fighter Corners. I was living in California. So I could wind them up. If it still works. Maybe not. These are old. Oh, it's supposed to move and its tongue goes in and out. Come on. Come on. Maybe not. Well, the reason why I'm bringing him back in because I went to the 80s store and boom, I found another one. This one is Hornhead. Remember him on my tattoo? Yeah. This one actually has his mouth open. Looks pretty cool. So, I don't know if he works. I just got him because, well, like I said, very, whoop, hey. Oh, wait a minute. Come on. Work. Work. Come on. Oh yeah, sorry, you move. His little feet. Cute little feet. Maybe one more. Come on. At least we know it works, but come on. Do it again. Whoa. Come on, Hornhead. Want a piece of me? Come on. Bring it on. So that's pretty much what it does. And these Wino toys, I don't even think Wino toys still exist these days anymore. But this is what he looks like. I guess his mouth opens. So if you ever get a chance to find a wind-up Madball toy, dude, seriously, and I'm not kidding, get it as fast as you can because I guarantee it, a true fan sees these and he will snap this away from you because these are very rare. Can't believe I actually found another one. I've been looking everywhere for this, or for any of these, you know. But so awesome. So I don't know what you guys have, which one you own, and what does the other ones do? Because like I said, I've been hunting down the other ones for a very long time. And finally, like I said, I finally found Hornhead, or another one I should say. So I'm very stoked about that. Put your comments down. Tell me what you guys think. Is there anything different on yours than mine? Maybe it's had more shadow paint on it, or less paint on his beard part. I mean, I don't know. But yeah, so put your comments down. Tell me what you guys think. And for all you Madball fans, hopefully this helps you what's out there. And I will put all my Madball reviews underneath this one. So scroll down, has the name of the Madball toy and the link. And just click on the link and go straight to the review. Alright, that is it for now. Hope you liked this review. Share this with your friends, people. Until then, happy hunting.